Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can find music recommendations on Spotify. So there's a tab here, and as you can see there is a made for you tab, so you're just going to select it and it's going to show you the mixes based on the genre you listen to, artists, and decades and mood mixes. It even suggests soundtrack your day, and this one's uniquely yours. I think that this one's more personalized playlist. You can also discover new music here, discover weekly, and release radar, and there's also your daily mixes here. So for instance, I want to find more songs that are in the hip-hop genre, so I'm just going to select this here, and it's going to show me a lot of suggestions for songs that are in that genre. So to put it in my playlist, I just have to put it in my liked songs. I'm just going to like it. For instance, the song, I'm just going to like it, and that is how you can find music, more music on Spotify that you can listen to. That is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!